So I literally did a video not long ago, 1 year with the Nikon Z6iii, giving you my review over a long period of time with it, and generally the autofocus on this camera has been very, very good. However, in my testing with the eye autofocus, when I was running around my room, it was not ideal. Like, it was okay, but I've been thinking about why that might have happened, and I wanted to try a few different things in this video. I've now got my Tamron 28-75 on there, f2.8. So I'm not going to be doing the test at f1.8 anymore, which was quite a shallow depth of field, which is probably not the best to use. I am now at f2.8. I'm going to do the same test again with eye autofocus only, and then I'm going to do the same test again with 3D tracking. I want to see if there's a difference. I want to see if there's an improvement. Let's go. This is eye autofocus. I just saw it with a face autofocus on my chest for a second. It's on my eye. It's on my eye. It's still on my eye. Should be okay. Should be okay. I'm as far as back as I can. Still got my eye. Okay. It looks like at 2.8, the eye autofocus seems to be much better, actually. Maybe f1.8 was just a little bit too much to be moving around the room madly like I was. Huh? Woo! It's got me. This isn't even a native lens. See, it's got me straight away. Where am I? Here I am. Look at it. Whoop, whoop. That's pretty fast, isn't it? I don't even have this set on the fastest speed. Right, let's go to 3D tracking. Looks like it's got me. Has it got me? Yeah, it's got me. There you are. I think if you're wanting to track subjects, you probably need to be in f2.8. The autofocus does struggle a little bit more at 1.8 or f2, but 2.8 it seems to be doing very good. Very good. Yes, it does. This is the kind of autofocus I normally get out of this camera. Really, Nikon's autofocus performance is actually really good these days. Any Speed 7 chip camera. I just felt like potentially I needed to fix that video, but I can't. This video helps, maybe. That was my bad. Okay? Thanks for watching this video, everybody. Hit that like button if you liked it, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye. I'm new to this whole reviewing cameras thing, but hey, subscribe for the journey that I am on now.